ganito. I didn't know na katulad ko, like me, and Sean were very well loved. To think na hindi niya siya kaano-ano, like me, when I spotted him 4 years ago sa isang column, sa isang dyaryo na Philippine Star, they featured him there. And then right away, sabi ko, sino tong batang to? Really, it's a true story. Hindi ko siya kilala. I don't even know him from anywhere. So, I asked a friend of mine to look for him. And then, right away, parang instant, very endearing eh. Right away, when I met him siguro after 2 days, I like him right away. Talaga, walang biro. So, parang ever since hindi na kami naghiwalay. 4 years ha. So, siguro it's the same feeling that I'm not surprised why you like him so much. Paano, that's the same feeling na nakita ko the first time I met him. Sana he will continue inspiring you, lalo na yung mga bata, which I always tell him, you should be a good inspiration. Paano? Power and popularity is not something given to everyone. May purpose yun. Kaya may mga tao na they become famous or people like them. So the more you inspire or the more you give good examples to others, parang yun yung purpose mo in life. Not because na marami kang kikitain, marami kang show, marami kang mabibili na gusto mo. Those are all secondary. Ang laki ng responsibility to become famous. So, everything he does, magta-translate sa inyo. So, I hope yung pag-idol nyo sa kanya, it's not just something na he's guwapo, he's good-looking, he's a good dancer. Pero sana, you will think na one day I will become him. Not an artista, but in your life, paano ngayon nakakatuwa that you're idolizing him. But I hope he will be an inspiration to you na one day I want to be like Enchong, na because of hard work, because of a good person he is, God-fearing, naging successful siya, and I want to be like him. So, sana this will be a good start. Paano this is really something new to me. Wala pa ako nakitang ganito. Hindi ko alam sinindunan ako, sumama na lang ako. Pero I hope to see more of you at sana katulad ni Enchong, I will inspire you. Paano? I inspired him so much. Wala akong tinuro o pinakilala o ginawang masama sa kanya. So, every time I'm with him, I want to make sure na i-inspire ko sila. Sana sila din na-inspire na kayo. So, with that, napakahaba. So, hindi pa yung prepared ha. So, ang talino ko, di ba? Hindi pa ako prepared yan ha. So, Enchong, I know every day, every year they say happy birthday, happy birthday. But I know this year, happy ka talaga sa birthday mo. So, inspire everyone. Be a good example. And you're not perfect, we're not perfect. Pero sana, you always have to make it up yung imperfectness mo. Para sila, hindi ka lang nila i-idol, pero gagayahin nila yung magagandang ginagawa mo. So, happy birthday, and I hope to see more of you in the future, tomorrow, whenever. Sana parati na akong kasali. Paano? I like your energy. Mga fans lang to. Sorry magsi-50 na ako. Alright, thank you very much.